What's up guys, Peter here. So I had the privilege of going down to Virginia with a bunch of friends to take a visit at IAP Racing. So these are the guys who are doing the custom twin turbo build on my friend's Lamborghini Murcielago LP640. So we actually drove down there just to check out the car. I posted a quick little clip of the car revving a couple weeks ago before it was tuned. It could only rev to like I think 2,000 or 4,000 RPMs, and a lot of you guys said it sounded like shit, but that's because the car wasn't tuned yet and they couldn't really rev it up. Now the car is tuned and it's on the dyno, and IAP Racing gave me the video to show you guys. So we're gonna switch over to that and enjoy this awesome Italian twin turbocharged symphony of V12 awesomeness, if that makes sense. Built by IAP Racing, and Brandon Dumel, I think I pronounced his name right. He's actually the fabricator who was commissioned to do this build. Go follow him on Instagram. He's an amazing fabricator, and I'll go ahead and link to his Instagram as well. So enjoy the video.